Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 and enable Bluetooth on your Windows 11 laptop. Once done, force the earbuds into pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED blinks and you hear the voice prompt. You do this because pairing mode makes the headset discoverable. Without it, the laptop cannot find the device. Make sure Bluetooth on the laptop is visible and active, so the next step can instantly detect the bullets. You now add the bullets from Windows 11. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and choose Add Device, then Bluetooth. When the OnePlus entry appears, click it to connect. Windows will pair and install generic drivers automatically. You should enable the high-quality audio profile, A2DP, if the option appears, because that gives better sound. If Windows asks for permissions, accept them. If it stalls, cancel and retry. Sometimes the laptop needs a fresh scan to fully initialize the connection. You finish by confirming the bullets are the default output. Open Sound Settings and select OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 for playback. Play a test track and adjust both laptop and earbud volumes. Some apps use their own volumes separate from system settings. If audio is choppy or it won't connect, remove the device in Bluetooth settings, restart the Windows Bluetooth service, then reset the earphones and try pairing again. This clears cached pairings and resolves most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.